Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite interior upgrades on my 2022 3rd Gen TRD Off Road 4x4. Now I picked up this truck in September 2022 after a good 2-month wait. I knew I wanted the TRD Off Road and I wanted Lunar Rock, but the rest of the options I didn't have much control over. I did end up with the LED lighting package as well as the technology package, which gets you the basic safety features like sonar parking. My interior had the basic cloth interior as well as the stock stereo system, not the JBL. As for the interior, it was time to make it my own, and these are my top 5 interior modifications that I really enjoy. Now I still have a stock appearing interior, so no major modifications like seat covers, stereo system, etc. For what I did upgrade, I'll have links for each of those down in the video description. Also, check out my top 5 exterior upgrades in the upper right corner of this video, and stay tuned for the top 5 hidden upgrades and top 5 non-Tacoma accessories. The CarLink Kit 3.0 Mini Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This tiny AirPod-sized case plugs right into your USB and converts your wired CarPlay into wireless. Now each time you start your Tacoma, it takes about 15 seconds or so, and you have your phone automatically connected to your truck. No more finding your phone, plugging it in. It's all automatic now. This kit costs right about $50 and comes with the USB cord to make it all happen. Your Tacoma does need to have wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for this all to work. This adapter just turns your system wireless. I just double-sided taped it to the underside of the dash so it's out of the way. There's also a version for Android Auto if that's your flavor. The Peak Design Mobile Car Mount. Peak Design is a sleeper brand that not usually seen in the car world, and is famous for their photography accessories and backpacks. I got the non-charging version, but they also have a wireless charging version available. This mount works with the MagSafe compatible cases and securely mounts just with magnets. I have the Peak Design mobile iPhone case just to ensure the mount works flawlessly, and it does. Do you hear that? This thing is totally secure. It mounts to your truck with just 3M adhesive, but I have it positioned right under the air vent and out of the way of most daily usable controls. The mount blends in with the dash and has a premium minimalist design and is made from aluminum. It's been on for about a year now and 0 issues to report. The official Toyota TRD Pro shift knob. I went with the official Toyota part direct from my local Toyota dealer. It was priced at about $95 surprisingly, in competition with Amazon. It mounts easily just by releasing the shift boot and spinning it counterclockwise off. It gives a more premium look to the interior and is more substantial versus the stock knob. It fits the hands nicely and securely versus the rounder stock knob. The TRD logo and the red accents also bring an elevated look to the interior. I opted for the official version just because this is something I'll use every day and I can trust the quality over time. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 with the Dongar USB adapter. Right before I bought my Tacoma, I was sideswiped on the freeway, and the nice woman decided to also hit and run. Well, I chased her down and got her to stop. If that wasn't enough, she claimed that I hit her. The Garmin Mini Dashcam 2 does a great job just working in the background without any daily interaction. It shoots decent 1080p video, and along with the Dongar Technologies USB adapter, it tucks out of sight from the cabin. I can't wait till something like this happens again, but it does catch some shady stuff out there, like this guy that U-turned and cut me off. I was able to pull the video easily from the micro SD card to review the footage afterwards. I installed a 64GB card that lasts for a good couple of weeks before it overwrites the oldest footage. The Taco Mods aluminum radio knobs. Now everyone knows that the stock Tacoma radio knobs are tiny and plastic. Really the only thing they have going for them is that they're backlit. Taco Mods came out with these, a knurled aluminum knob that now has a backlit feature. These are available in both standard and XL. I opted for the standard, which are about the same size as stock, but much deeper and substantial, so there's something to grasp. They have a great premium OEM look and do retain a backlit feature that the stock knobs have. They come in a set of 2 to give a balanced look to your dash, as most owners will never use the right knob. Well guys, that's my top 5 favorite interior mods to my 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Be sure to check out my top 5 exterior mods, and stay subscribed to see my top 5 hidden mods and top 5 non-Tacoma accessories coming soon. But what are your thoughts? Do you have a favorite mod that I didn't feature? Let me know down in the comments section. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that, and subscribe to the channel, it's free. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.